Okay, as you guys know, I didn't take a trade today, and we'll go into why. So we'll start off on the 4 hour time frame. We broke above this high right above here. We also filled within some 4 hour imbalance in here. So I was anticipating that price was likely to just push straight to the upside within the London session. So now I can get rid of this, get rid of this. Jumping onto the 1 hour time frame, we're actually bearish. Reason being is because we actually broke below this low right here. Oh, right here. So it was like the 4 hours conflicting against the 4 hours conflicting against the 1 hour. So it was like 4 hours saying bullish and then hourly was saying bearish. So we know that price is saying short term bearish, long term bullish. That's all it's saying from the higher time frames. So I jumped onto the 50-minute time frame. I had like a 50-50 bias today. I'm not gonna lie. It was a strong 50-50 one today. Create this. There we go. So we'll go ahead and mark out my POI. So it was on the 5-minute time frame. I had marked out this 5-minute bearish order block right here. Obviously, you draw it like this because this high got swept over here and broke below this low, but I'm extra and I'm very extra, so I mark my order blocks out like this until like it starts pushing past it. You don't have to draw it that way, but I also had a 5-minute bullish order block right here. So we also had some 15-minute liquidity. So we had this high order up here marked out. Oh, this high up here marked out and this low marked out here, as well as actually I didn't even mark that low when I was watching it. I'll be lying if I said I did. So what I wanted to see was a sweep of the low and a break of the high. So we push up, tap within the bearish order block, sweep the low, give a nice reaction. So the high we were watching was literally up here. So boom, taps the order block again, reaction. We get a new high right up in here as well. Still got a good reaction out of that order block. Still within the order block. Remember what I said, I was just being extra with this. And if you look closely, we actually swept this low on the 50-minute time frame as well. It looks pretty equal, but it's not. Like you can see it. I'm pretty sure you can see that. Yeah, we set this low down here as well within this order block. So I was still long, like I was still bullish on this. Like I didn't want to short. So again, trailing this high. We're up here. Play. We break. Do we leave an imbalance? No. So is there a trade for us? No. We push down further and further, sweeping. I believe it was this low far left. This low to the left right here. And essentially all we were doing is literally just trailing highs on a 1 minute and waiting for an imbalance, but price did not want to give us that at all. Did not want to give us that when we was watching it. So we get a new high right here. This probably looks really confusing. I'm going to delete this and delete this as well. So we're watching it like this. Boom, we get a new high right above here. So do we break? No, because a new high right up here. Oops. We break structure to the upside from this high, but we leave no imbalance. That's the only thing. And price goes sideways from here a little bit. Yeah, this is literally what we were just watching, like waiting for a break of structure, then an imbalance, but price just was never gonna give us that. The reason that I was bullish as well is mainly because like the 4 hour time frame. I knew that like let me just delete this. And let me just delete this. I knew that this move was because of the hourly time frame. And I know obviously the 4 hour holds a lot more power than the hourly. So that being said, I knew that the extension move to the upside would be a lot quicker than the than the hourly time frame. So this is the retracement, the hourly time frame, yeah, and this move within here is the when the 4 hour takes over. So I'm thinking like, what is the point of me taking a short and I'm just sitting in chop when I could just take the extension move, which is more likely to take hit on my take profits. So that's the reason behind like I did not want to go short today, mainly because I don't want to just hit one take profit and then go break even. I want to at least hit 2 to 3 take profits, riding the extension move of okay pause, following the extension move of high time frame market structure. That's the whole idea behind it. Um, but you can see we go sideways for a bit. We break structure. Here's where we get like a little something, but I kind of drew this on as I was start watching this, but I left it alone. Like we had this equilibrium here, candle close out, could have been an entry, but I already have my rules. Like as soon as it hits like 9:30, I don't take a trade, so I just left it alone. I know obviously this entry would have been before 9:30, but I remember clearly the hourly brought structure to the downside recently again, so I was like, nah, not taking. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. That's how you have to look at some trades as well. Is that trade worth it? Is it worth you going against the higher time frame? No, man. So I know I said the 4 hours bullish, but like think about it like this: you're playing, you're entering off the 1 minute. Your execution is based off the 1 minute, so that means the hourly is more. I'd say more. It's it influences your entry a lot more. However, you're still able to follow extension moves from the 4 hour. And the best way to like really catch on to those moves is like identifying a 5 minute breaker structure. So I know that when I see a 5 minute breaker structure and the extension move is to the upside, as soon as we break structure to the upside on the 5 minute, look what happens. And this is the 4 hour time frame. Watch. We start pushing back up. So like I said before, short term bearish here, long term bullish here. Look how quick it took the 4 hours to move up compared to the hourly. That's how you have to view this market, like bro. It's like most simple. So I know like this is because of the hourly time frame, and this is because of the 4 hour. Hourly is bearish. We're getting short term bearish until the 4 hours. Like hourly, step to the side. Like big balls here, like, time to take over kind of thing. And that's where the 4 hour comes in. This is what it was here. But I know ultimately, like within the session, if we start coming back down, I think it was from here, yeah. Start coming back down, but still the idea behind it still played out. It's just that we weren't able to catch an entry, and that's okay. Um, it's gonna be. I mean, it's not really. I don't know how to explain this, but like, it's good to know when to sit out the market because you don't want to be in here trading every single day from. I'm happy that I got to sit out and really, what's it called, observe what prices was telling me. Like it gave me a whole lot of nothing from. So am I gonna take a trade? No. Like, what am I gonna take a loss that I don't need to take? You get what I'm saying? So, I'm really happy with like us just being able to just watch the market, wait for what we wanted to see. It didn't pan out, and we just walked away. Simple like that. I literally told you to use the same analogy as if these pairs with your girl. If your girl's clearly telling you, giving you no signal that she wants to talk to you, are you gonna beg her? Are you gonna beg her? Are you that guy from? No, you're not. You'll leave her alone. You'll walk away from her. And that's what we did. Simple. Hopefully you learned something behind like all of this. But yeah, we have one more trading day because I'm not trading. This is next week. So going into, I think it is Wednesday. Wednesday we have financial stability review. I'm not trading that day. We also have PMI on Thursday. I'm not trading that day. And we have German IR4 business climate, so I'm not trading that day either. Especially for GER30. I'm not trading GER30. Monday, well, tomorrow looks fine to me. I'll trade tomorrow, but that'll be the last like London session that I trade this week. Am I gonna go look at other pairs? Like flipping GU, GJ, flipping gold. No, fam. Stick to my 2 pairs and I'm chilling. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace.